Dear kind soul, welcome. Get yourself to a calm place and get yourself to any position that you are comfortable with. Allow yourself this sacred time to gently begin your day with intention, peace, and prayer. When you are ready, close your eyes. Let the world fall softly away for a few moments and turn your attention inward. Let this be your time, a gentle sanctuary between the hush of night and the stir of morning light. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let your breath be easy and unforced, like the quiet rhythm of ocean waves moving in and out of your body. Breathe in. Feel the cool, fresh air entering your lungs. Breathe out. And feel your body releasing all tension, all heaviness, all worries from the night before. Another breath in. And let it out slowly, like a whisper. Now, begin to notice your body resting gently in this space. Notice where your body meets the surface beneath you. Maybe a chair, a bed, a floor, or the earth itself. Feel supported, held, safe. Let your hands rest softly. Palms open if you wish. A quiet gesture of readiness to receive. And now, bring your attention to the space of your heart. The quiet center of your being. Imagine this space as a warm, glowing light. Soft, golden, and expanding with every breath. This is where your morning prayer begins. You may choose to whisper these words softly in your mind, or simply listen and let them wash over you. Dear Creator, Divine Light, or loving presence, whatever name brings you close to me, thank you for this new day. Thank you for the gift of life, for the breath in my lungs, for the beating of my heart. Thank you for the chance to begin again. Take a moment here. Feel the warmth of gratitude moving through you, like the first rays of morning sunlight, gently kissing the skin, welcoming you back to life. May I walk today in love and humility. May I see the sacred in all things. May I be kind with my words, generous with my spirit, and gentle with myself and others. Breathe in, peace. Breathe out, letting go. Guide me in all that I do today. Let my thoughts be clear, my actions be wise, and my heart remain open. If challenges come, remind me of my strength. If doubts arise, fill me with faith. If I forget who I am, remind me that I am loved, held, and never alone. Now simply rest here for a while, in silence, breathing gently, letting your spirit rise like the sun. Feel the stillness wrapping around you like a warm blanket. There is nowhere else to be, nothing else to do. Only this moment and the presence of something greater flowing through you. You are a vessel of light. You are a gentle warrior of grace. You are already enough. As the silence settles, imagine your day ahead. But imagine it through the lens of peace. See yourself walking through each moment with calm awareness. See yourself smiling, breathing, choosing kindness. See yourself staying connected to this sacred space within you, no matter what the day brings. Let's end with a simple blessing. May this day unfold with ease and purpose. May your words bring light. May your steps be steady. May your soul stay rooted in peace. Now, begin to deepen your breath again. Feel the energy return gently to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch if it feels right. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Come back to the room, bringing with you the calm, the clarity, and the sacred intention of your morning prayer. Welcome once again to your day. Go in peace, go in love,